In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio in Suno AI. Whether you're a music producer, podcast creator, or just experimenting with sound, Suno AI provides a seamless way to manage your audio projects. Let's dive into the process and ensure you get the most out of this powerful platform. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Suno AI account. Head over to the Suno website and enter your login credentials. If you're new to Suno, you'll want to set up an account first. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, let's get started by clicking on the Create button. This is your gateway to all the creative tools Suno has to offer. The Create option is typically located at the top of your dashboard, easy to find and ready to help you start new projects. Next, we want to focus on the audio aspect, so go ahead and select Audio from the available options. This will take you to the section dedicated to audio manipulation, allowing you to either upload or record your sounds. Now, moving forward, click on the Upload button. This button lets you bring in your pre-recorded audio files, making it convenient to work with any existing music or podcasts you have ready on your computer. For those who prefer capturing fresh audio, there's also an option to record directly into Suno. This feature is particularly handy if inspiration strikes and you want to capture it on the spot. Once you opt to upload, you will need to choose an audio file from your computer. Typically, an MP3 file would be a great choice due to its universal compatibility. Simply navigate through your folders, click on the desired file, and select it for upload. Suno AI accepts different formats, so you don't need to worry about converting files beforehand. After you've selected your file, Suno AI will begin processing it. This step is essential as it prepares your audio for editing, analysis, or any enhancements you might wish to apply. The processing time may vary depending on your file size, so a little patience might be necessary here. Once the processing is complete, it's time to create. Click the Create button to finalize the upload and access all the creative tools Suno has to offer. You've now successfully uploaded your audio, and you're ready to start transforming your audio project with Suno AI's robust features. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start working with your audio in Suno AI. Don't forget to explore all the various features and make the most of this fantastic platform. Thanks for watching and happy creating.